Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of most beautiful and attractive patchwork designing, which is so simple, yet another designing on patchwork, because most of you were requested to show like this type of designs. Hope this will also you'll like it. So let's quickly start with the markings. We have to give the drop shape designing. These are customized, so as per your required size you can choose and mark accordingly the size. Here I'd be using antique bronze Zardozi, which is of this much size. I'd be cutting here and just inserting in the needle and giving the stitches like this. We have to give an invisible stitches on it. Just insert in the needle and give couple of stitches. And for this stitching I'll be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. Further, the design will be extended using normal gold Zardozi string, which I am cutting in very small size like this. Using this Zardozi string we'll create the texture like the leaf. So firstly I'll be inserting in the center and giving the straight stitch here like this. Next, underneath we will be stitching here with V shape. The materials which I've used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can also check it. So this way I'll be creating 5 lines to create the leaf like texture. And this would be the last line which I am gonna stitch here. Further, the design will be extended using this stone lace. I'd be measuring accordingly this length, and further I'd be applying the glue to stick the stone lace all around this drop shape. And once this is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches. Use this patchwork for the designing of necklines on the blouses. For overall designing also you can try it, or else for converting your plain suits to designer suits on the necklines, or randomly you can create like the booties on plain sarees, dupattas designing, whatnot. You can try this type of patchwork designing, which will really gives rich and graceful appeal. And once this is completely stitched, we have to burn on the edges so that the fabric weaving threads will not come out, and we'll get the nice finishings on this patch. Further, this you can apply the glue to stick on any types of fabrics, or else just lay it and give couple of stitches so that the designing will be done. Once completed, the patches would look like this. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.